Node.js tutorial. Today I will describe about Node.js global object. So Node.js global object are global in nature and they are available in all module. We do not need include this object in our application. Rather we can use them directly. These objects are module, function, string and object itself. So now I will show the example of global function underscore file name underscore file name. This represents the file name of the code being executed. This is resolved absolutely path of this code file. The main program is not the necessary same file name. Use command line the value inside module path of the module file. So how we can get the file name? Suppose console.log file name double underscore file name is the global object. So now we will see the output of the file name, global file name. We run the project. So here is the showing the global file name. Here is the user, Bangla Fair, Storm and Node.js and server.js. So this is the file name with the directory of this project and the file name. So we can easily get the file name by this global object. So this file name is no need to include any module. This is the built-in global object. We will show the another example of global object. Directory name console.log directory name double underscore dir name. So what will the output of double underscore directory name global object? We can run again our project. So here is the showing directory name. This is the string and the directory name global object is user Bangafair storm, and this is our project directory. Here is our project directory, not just this whole the project directory show by the directory global object. Now I will show the example of set timeout. Set timeout. Set timeout global function using run callback GB after at the least millisecond. The actual delay depends on external factor like OS, timer, gradient, system load. So how we can define the global timeout? Suppose we make a function print hello console log hello world. Now we will call the set timeout. First parameter is the function name and second parameter is the millisecond. So this function will call after 2000 milliseconds, that means 2 seconds. So now we can run our project again. Callback argument must be a function. Must be a function. Here is we have defined the function not. This is the function name. So we can run our project again. So we can run again. Node server.js. We will show here is the one two this hello world showing after 2 seconds, because set timeout is 2000 millisecond, means 2 millisecond. After 2 millisecond showing the call the hello field function. This is the set timeout main functionality. Now I will show the set interval. This is the another global object, set interval. Set interval is the repeatedly, it's showing the repeatedly. Suppose our function print hello, we will call the set interval is the function name print hello world, and then 100 2000 millisecond. This function call after every 2 seconds. Now we will run our project again. Sorry, here is the function name. Here is the, we can see the this hello print function called after every 2 second. After every 2 second it's called hello print. So this is the time interval. This is the set interval global object. This is the built-in of NodeJS. There are more global objects. Suppose console is the global object, is another global object. It's no need to require anything in this project, is the built-in. So in this tutorial we have learned about the global objects. Suppose double underscore file name, double underscore directory name, and also the set timeout, and this timeout call the function after 2 minutes is delay the 2000 millisecond, and here is the set interval. Is first parameter is function and second is the millisecond. Is this function called after every 2 seconds. Thank you so much.